Today I wanted to show you a common issue with the Cummins ISX CM871. This is going to be from like a 2008, 2010 year model. The truck shut down while driving and the mechanic diagnosed it and pinpointed it to the ECM. What it does is the truck won't start, of course, and when you try to connect to it, it's saying that it's in run boot mode. That's the error that it's going to give you, and this is a very common issue. This ECM was rebuilt by that part number roughly around 7 years ago, so it's time to get it checked out again. But if you see that on your Cummins ISX, it's a very common sign that the ECM is bad. If you have any issues that you're having with Cummins CAT, detail, you can put it down in the comment. My name is Oscar. Follow me for more.